Oh, to come?
Yeah.
Or she want to see me? And this is here we have our bake, and this is how we make our whole wheat bake. As you can see, we already rolled out the flour, and now we are going to bale it, as we say. Make it round. And that's what you call a bill now, so he's baling. Right, and then he flips it, takes up some more flour so it wouldn't stick. And he's baling again. And he rolls it out very thin. Because you want the bake to be very thin, as it has to be fried. So this is the same as roti flour, but just you fry the roti. And you get it flips one more time. Some more flour again to prevent the sticking. And it gets another roll out. You see the ends are getting very thin. And you can see it's very thin on the ends. Now he's going to cut it. Normally we cut it in 4. So first you get a half, and then you get a half again. Well, kind of a half. And then from there it goes to the oil. As you can see, oil has to be very hot. And there's the big dog in the inside the oil. And it's being bubbled as we speak. And there's another one. Angie is putting in. Angie, we're holding the strainer for. Yeah, I put it on with the 2 hand. And you see, start to float. That's trying to be what they call it, floats. Raise the gas a little bit. Nah, over there on the tank. Shake the tank. Right, now here you can see. And just keep it submerged in the oil so that it will swell up. Yeah. It's very nice and light and fluffy. You just fry it for about 3-4 minutes on each side till you get a nice golden brown color. This is fried bake being cooked fresh out of the pot, as we say, hot off the press at Mike's Place of Union Road, Marabella. As you can see, it's starting to swell. So by now we will flip it. And you see it's already taking color. Getting nice and golden brown. It's a very big wok we're using, so we can hold up to 4 or 5 bakes at one time, and all will get a nice fry, very nice and golden. Looks like it's almost ready to come out. Now, there we go, flips again. And then we take it out now and we put it to drain. And that there is your fried bake.